Hello friends, this is Gokul from Gokul Tech. Today in this video we are going to see how to use the rank function in Excel. This rank function is helping to identify the particular person or rank in a class or based on the values which we are defining. Let's start with the today's session. So here I have taken a data set of a particular company where belonging to sales. I'm going to help them to find out the top performing employee based on their commission. So the commission calculation we have done based on the aggregate function which we have discussed in our previous video. You can go ahead and watch it. That link we have provided in our description box and also in the iCard. Let's start with the rank function. Equal to rank, hit enter, and it asking me the reference. First is the number is which is nothing but my D column, because I'm going to rank the employee based on their commission. If comma, and the reference is nothing but my complete D column, because based on this commission, overall commission, what is the position of that particular employee we have defined. And log the cell. Why we have to log the cell is because it should not go further D3 to D11 when we are moving the formulas down. Comma, descending and ascending is the option we are getting. If you are feeling lower the better number, then you can go for descending method. If you are feeling higher the better number, you can go with the ascending order. I am going with the descending order because I have to get the highest value as the first one. Let's close the bracket and hit enter. So you will get the complete employee details, who is positioning at the top based on their commission. So I am filling it from largest to smallest. Smallest to largest. I can get 7,500 is the agent 3. He is topping the selling the number of units which is based on our commission value. And now I am going to give the other variety, which is my rank 2 method, nothing but giving in the ascending value. So again equal to rank, again number is my D2, comma, my reference is the same one, and here instead of descending I am going to give ascending order. Close the bracket, hit enter, flash fill the values or press Ctrl D. You will get exactly opposite number. So here agent 3 is topping based on the commission, but here you can get number 10. Why? Because it is giving the value based on the descending method and ascending method. Hope you have clearly understood this concept. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us. We will happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Have a great day ahead.